Hey, student, how are you? Welcome to our session on writing slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, given 2 points. We'll take a look at 3 examples. Number 1, let's write the equation of the line that passes through the point 1, comma 1 and the point 0, comma 5. Let's find the slope. We'll subtract the y values. They go on top. And then we'll subtract the x values. They go on the bottom. 4 divided by -1, we can simplify and get our slope -4. M in our y equals mx plus b is -4. So we found the slope, -4. Now we need the y-intercept, b. What is the y-intercept? Well, they actually gave us the y-intercept, 0, comma 5. This point is the y-intercept on our line. So b is equal to 5, our y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is when x is 0. And we can write the equation of this line that goes through these 2 points. And there it is. Let's do another example. Number 2. Let's write the equation of the line that passes through the point 3, comma -1. And I'm going to give you the slope this time. So we have our slope, m, is 2. So we can start writing our linear equation by substituting the slope 2 in for m. Now, we do not have the y-intercept b. They did, however, give us these 2 points, x and y. Sorry, 1 point with coordinates, x and y. Our x value is 3, and our y value is -1. We can substitute. Substitute the point. 3 is x, y is -1, and we'll substitute that into our equation. -1 goes in for y, and 3 goes in for x. Now we will have numbers substituted in for all of the variables except for b. Now we can solve for b. I substituted -1 in for y. 2 is the slope that they gave us. 3 is our x value. And now we can solve for b, the y-intercept. Let's solve this equation for b. And we get -7 for the y-intercept, b. Now we can finish writing the equation for this line. It passes through the point 3, comma -1 and has a slope of 2. And here is the equation of this line. Let's do one last example. Let's write the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points. First, we'll find the slope. We'll subtract the y values. They go on top. And then we'll subtract the x values. They go on the bottom. And we'll subtract very carefully with all these negatives. You could rewrite minus a negative. And 8 divided by 4, you can reduce. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So our slope, m, is 2. We can start writing our equation, y equals mx plus b, by substituting 2 in for the slope. Now we need to solve for b. Find the y-intercept. B. To do that, we need to substitute one of the points given above. And we'll substitute that into our y equals mx plus b for x and y. I'm going to use this second point because it has fewer negatives. I'll substitute -4 in for x, and 6 goes in for y. Six goes in for y. 2 is the slope that we got earlier. X is -4, and we are solving for b. The y-intercept, the last piece for writing this linear equation. And 6 plus 8. And we get our y-intercept b. Now we can write the equation y equals 2x plus 14. And that is the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points. Thanks so much for joining our session, and I'll see you next time.